And it is early morning, just after 7. You can see the sun trying to shine through this fog. About 20 minutes ago it was really sunny out here. Now we've gone into this fog bank, and every few minutes the captain is blowing the foghorn. We're about an hour and a half away from Iceland, and we've gone into some pretty good fog. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll still get there on time, but whatever it takes. This is pretty thick. Anyway, we'll be showing you some pictures from Iceland in a little while. And there you heard the foghorn. That's going off every minute or so. All right, we'll talk to you later. And we're coming into the harbor here at Reykjavik, Iceland. Just like that, we're out of the fog. The Iceland flag is up. And there's the town. And you can see where we just came in, right on that opening there. And this is the town of Reykjavik, Iceland. And we got a few people out here with taking pictures of us coming in. So close, they just threw the ball at him and he grabbed it. I put the line onto that tractor. And there are tour buses that are going to take us all on our port adventures. We have docked in Iceland. Port authorities are coming on board now.